US dollar against the Japanese yen this week has bounced in between these two price levels. We can see a supply zone around 148.90. The price has reached it and then bounced back down, reaching 146.51. So this is in decision range area for the price, where we can see that the price is stopped just in between this resistance level and this support level, which means the bulls who are very strong around this area here, pushing the price up, but the sellers also, which are supply zone here, are not allowing for the price to go above and make a breakout to the upside. For now, we can see this trend line on the weekly time frame is preventing the price from reaching high price levels, which means acting as a resistance. So this area here is a confluence of resistance on the daily time frame. Now let's go to see a weekly time frame how this looks. We can see that the previous week has closed as a bullish candle, where the price has reached this area 148.90, and then the price bouncing back down, which is normal when the price reaches a strong selling, very strong supply zone, which is a strong selling pressure waiting here. This is a normal, and also when the bulls have took the price up, we can see a pretty strong bullish move. The bulls have exited their trades right here. We can see on the weekly time frame, this is the uptrend channel where the price is trying to enter back again, which means we have a confluence of resistance here, where we have horizontal resistance level, now the trend line, which is acting also as a resistance. So this will be very hard for the price to make a breakout to the upside on the weekly time frame. But we can see the bullish momentum is pushing the price on a higher price level. We can see that this week has closed as an indecision candle, which is normally always suggesting that the price will continue to rise in the direction where the price has started to rise. This means a bullish momentum. On the monthly time frame, we can see that the price in the previous month has made a breakout to the downside, but was not validated with this month, with this candle, because the price has returned back up. So this bearish breakout around 144.40 was not validated as a valid one. And we can see that this month price returned all the way up around 148.90, which was the second resistance. First resistance was this one here, and the second one is this one here, and we have 3 more days next week until this month ends. So there is also a possibility that the price closes above, which will mean that the price has made a breakout to the upside over 2 resistance levels, which means a strong bullish pressure. So we'll see what happens on the daily time frame, which is much more visible, and I will share that breakout or any kind of trading market movement inside the trading community. You can find the link below in the description, where I share the daily analysis if something happens on the market. So for now, as it looks, this month will close as a bullish one. To validate this bearish breakout to the downside below 144.40, we need to see the price returning back down, closing the month in the next 3 days below this one. It's less likely, and I am not expecting that. I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value. So I'm expecting that the price will try to make a breakout to the upside above 148.90. Will that happen? We'll see on the daily time frame much more clearly during the week next week. Very important level on the monthly time frame is this one, 148.112, because it is small, currently acting as a resistance on the monthly time frame, and the next one is here 149.43. These are the small resistance level now acting and preventing the price from reaching higher price level. Let's go on the weekly and see how this looks. On the weekly time frame, a very important level is this one in front of the price level, 148.90. So I'm expecting the price will try to make a breakout to the upside, try to make a return back inside this trade option channel. And if that happens, the next target where the price could stop is this one here, 149.78 on the weekly time frame. We can see that the price had problems in the past reaching higher price levels, going above this one here, 149.50 or 60. This is the range, small range area. If the price goes down, the first support level is this one here, 146.67. If the price goes below that, the next one is this area, a demand zone around 144.40. So 146.67, and let's see how this looks. We can see the first level is this 146.70, which was visible on the weekly time frame, is the first support level for the price that the price needs to break in order to continue to fall down around 144.40. As it looks right now, we can see that the price is pushing up, and there is a possibility, and also I am looking that the price could make a breakout to the upside, reaching this area 148.90 on the daily time frame. It will be very hard for the price to make a breakout above because it is a confluence of resistance. So if that happens, I will share that inside the trading community next week when that happens, and also what would be the next target. If you would like to check that link, check the below in the description. But for now, as we can see, very important level is this one here currently on the daily time frame that needs to be broken in order for the price to continue to rise in value. So until that happens, we will see what is happening on the market. Just a minute, let's move this one here. This is much more accurate for the price, so this will be a very important level. Just a minute, I need to change this one. Okay, let's move it down. This will be the lower side, and this will be, just a minute, where it is, here it is. This will be the lower side. Okay, this is the next level that the price needs to break on the daily time frame. I have just adjusted based on the market movement. So we will see the price is on the breakout, on the verge to go above, and if that happens, we can see that the next level where the price will stop is 149.98, which is around 150. We can also change that to be on 150. Will not make a mistake, because we can see it is still a supply zone. So that's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.